What's going on, guys? It's your boy Brad, and I'm back with another video. Before I get into this one, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I'm putting out videos every week for you guys here on this channel, trying to help you obtain your dreams of becoming a registered nurse. Enjoy the video. How to stay hungry in nursing school. That's, at times, it can be a tough thing to do. I know the pain. I know the struggle is real, right? All of the assignments, all of the studying, all of the clinical work, the care plans, everything that you have to do, it's a lot and it gets taxing. I know that. It can be aggravating. It can really weigh on your shoulders, not to mention the stress that comes along with all of that. You know, it seems like in nursing school, you are constantly at a high level of stress because you are constantly having to perform at a very high level academically, you know, skills wise in the clinical components and everything. So it can be a lot and people tend to get burnt out. It just happens. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to give you guys just a little piece of motivation. You got to take that energy, man, and you got to flip it on its head. You can't let all of the stresses just, you know, take you out of the game, man. Like, look how hard you've worked to get where you are. Look how hard you had to bust your tail in prerequisites just to get into a nursing program. I mean, I know that is a very big struggle for a lot of people. There's people busting their tails right now trying to get into a program. And, you know, some are going to make it, but some ain't, right? So you had to work so hard to make good grades in order to get into the program. And now that you're in the program, you've had to work even harder to stay in the program, right? It's a constant struggle trying to make these grades and pass each and every semester. But look at how far you've come and how hard you've had to work. And that right there is the ultimate motivation, in my eyes, to stay hungry and stay starving for success. You know, like, you've come so far and the goal, which is going to be so worth it, is right there within arm's reach. You know, a lot of these nursing programs are, you know, 2 years long. It's 4 semesters. It's not even nothing. I know that stresses can become overwhelming at times, but you should find alternate ways to get rid of that stress. Go work out, go walk, do things that you like to do. You know, whenever you have breaks and you have downtime, if you like to read a book that you like to read instead of having your nose buried in that med-surg book. You know, just try and use alternate means to get rid of that stress, alleviate those worries and that anxiety, and just constantly keep your eye on the prize at the end of the road, that license that's going to be in your hands whenever you graduate and you pass the NCLEX. All of your hard work, all of, you know, everything that you have done and sacrificed, you know, you will reap the reward, reap the fruit of your labor at the end of the day. That is my motivation. I would love to know what your guys' motivation are. Give some of our fellow nursing students some advice and inspiration down in the comments below. Let them know what you do to stay hungry. What's your motivation, you know? I personally, I mean, I use that, but I also have a real internal motor that just ticks for success. Like, I want to constantly be better. I want to constantly strive for greater things, you know, through nursing school, right? I want to constantly learn as much as I can, get as, you know, much hands-on experience as I can in the clinical so that I can be the best nurse I can be. With this YouTube channel, I want to constantly put out better videos. I'm just constantly starving for success to give you guys all of the great, you know, the best kind of content that I could possibly give you guys, to try to network and gain as many opportunities as I can within this community of nursing, because this is a wonderful community and there's a lot that we can do to help each other out. So that's why I make these videos. But I just have an internal motor that just ticks for success, and that is my motivation. I would really love to know what your guys' motivation is. Please, again, leave it down in the comments below. Let us know what keeps you hungry for success in nursing school. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't. Give the video a like, and I'll catch y'all guys in the next video. It's Nurse Bass, soon to be. Peace.